In this video, we will demonstrate how to effectively remove photo blur using HitPaw online. While snapping pics, you might encounter shots like these, or even these unique ones. The intention is for the photo to be awesome, but instead it's all blurry and fuzzy in various ways, losing its intended clarity. Now let's move on to HitPaw online. This incredible tool doesn't just get rid of photo blur, it also efficiently erases watermarks from both photos and videos. It's an online tool that requires no download. As you can see in the menu bar, there's a bunch of handy features for photos, videos, and audio. This time, let's click right into HitPaw Photo Enhancer. We place the link just below. Simply click on it and you can use it right away online. Check out this purple Start Free Now button. Give a click, drag or click to upload the blurry photo from your device. Next, in the left-hand side menu bar, choose the correct model. Once you're sure, hit Preview. While it's loading, take a few seconds to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Hey, it seems to be doing a pretty good job. Let's zoom in for a closer look. Whoa! The photo quality is seriously upgraded. Let's zoom in. Whoa! Pleasant surprise? The picture quality is seriously upgraded. That wraps up.